You might have noticed the two different ways in which people pronounce this word. Some call it as content while others call it as content. Which is the correct one? You will get to know in this video. Hello everyone, my name is Simran Mehtani and you are watching English Tales. In this video, we will be discussing heteronyms. Let's get started. Heteronyms are such words which have exactly the same spelling, but their pronunciations and their meanings are completely different from each other. Let us have a look at a few examples of heteronyms. The first one we have here is close and close. When you observe closely, the spellings of these two words are exactly the same, but their pronunciations and their meanings are different. I'll tell you how. This one is pronounced as close, close. We observe an S sound at the end of the word, close. Close means near. The flower pot was kept close to the entrance, which means near to the entrance. This one is close, close. We have a Z sound at the end of the word. Okay, so close means to shut. Please close the door. The next example that I have for you is present versus present. This one is pronounced as present, present, which means to give. They were presenting an award to me. They were giving an award to me. This one is pronounced as present, present. It is another word for gift. This is your Christmas present. The next example that I have for you is content versus content. This one is pronounced as content, content. The focus is on the later part, tent. Content means to be happy or satisfied with something. I am content with what I have. This one is content. The focus is on the first part, content. I create content for my YouTube channel English Tales. If you are enjoying watching this video, please subscribe to English Tales. So, content and content, both these pronunciations are correct. It depends on the context in which you use this word. If you are using this word to express your happiness or your satisfaction with something, you use the word content, content. Okay? And if you are engaging in any conversation in which you are conversing about the information you put out on digital media, it may be your YouTube or Instagram or any other digital platform, you can use the word content, content. The next example that I have for you is minute versus minute. This one is pronounced as minute, minute. It is a time frame of 60 seconds. I'll be back in a minute. You might have used this sentence very often, right? An example sentence for this one would be, the human cells present in our body are extremely minute. Minute. Minute means something which is extremely small or tiny. The next example that I have for you is object versus object. Here, the focus is on the first part of the word, object. Okay, object, which means an article or a thing. So, this is an object. This one is object, object. The focus is on the later part of the word, ject. Okay, so this one means to oppose something, to go against something. I object your decision. So your decision is not acceptable to me. I object to it. I oppose to your decision. That's all I had for you today. I'll see you with another English video very soon. If you haven't checked out my previous videos, you can check them out here.